Python has multiple data types and data structures that you can use to store and manipulate data efficiently. Some of them are included in the Python Collections module. In this video, we will discuss the Python data type from the Collections module called ChainMap. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're diving into a unique and powerful tool in the Python Collections module, ChainMap. If you've ever needed to work with multiple dictionaries at once or manage layered configurations, ChainMap is a great solution. Let's break it down. ChainMap is a class in Python's Collections module that lets you combine multiple dictionaries into a single view. When you look up a key, it searches through each dictionary in the chain in order until it finds a match. So, you can treat multiple dictionaries as one big dictionary without actually merging them. ChainMap is especially useful when you want to layer multiple scopes of variables. Think of it like an onion. You search from the top layer down. It's great for things like handling defaults versus overrides, managing nested configurations, or implementing variable scopes, like in interpreters. And unlike merging, it doesn't create a new dictionary. It's a lightweight wrapper. ChainMap is perfect when you want to treat multiple dictionaries as one without copying data. You're managing user settings with fallback defaults. When you need to combine local, global, and built-in namespaces, or you want to support temporary overrides of config values. Basically, it's great for situations where priority and fallback logic is needed. Here are some things to keep in mind. Lookup starts at the first dictionary and continues down the chain. Updates go to the first dictionary only. You can access all maps using .maps, which is just a list of dictionaries. It doesn't copy or merge dictionaries, it wraps them. You can add temporary layers with .newChild, useful for scoping. Let's see a few examples of ChainMap in action. Here we create a chain map called Settings out of two dictionaries, Default and User Settings. Note that we have provided the dictionary User Settings first in the chain map. So when we access a key that is in both of the source dictionaries, the one from User Settings takes priority. As you can see, the chain map acts as a single dictionary that is composed of the source dictionaries. We can also update source dictionary values directly from the chain map. In this example, we create the chain map and then access and update the entry with the key language. This is from the first priority source dictionary User Settings, which is the only one that can be accessed and changed. Note that when we access language from the source dictionary User Settings, the source dictionary has been updated as well. You can use the maps method to get a view of all source dictionaries. Here we see by using maps a list of the source dictionaries, defaults, and user settings. We can also add temporary scope. In this example, we define two dictionaries, defaults and user settings, as before. Then, also as before, we create a chain map named Settings, combining user settings and defaults, where lookups will prioritize user settings. A new chain map called temp settings is created using the newChild method, with an additional dictionary, debug true, at the front of the chain. We then access temp settings to get dark for theme from the user settings source dictionary and true for debug from the new temporary child dictionary. The code layers settings with overrides and shows how temporary changes can be added without modifying the original mappings. So, with just a few lines of code, ChainMap gives you a lot of flexibility and control without the overhead of merging dictionaries or writing complex fallback logic. And that's your quick intro to collections.chainmap. Whether you're building a config manager, designing a template engine, or just juggling multiple layers of data, ChainMap helps you stay clean and efficient. If this video helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more Python tips, and let us know in the comments how you might use ChainMap in your projects. Until next time, happy coding.